Imagine this. Your relationship just ended, and now the person who was such a big part of your life is suddenly gone. You feel that ache every day, and there's this voice in your mind wondering if it's really over. Maybe you're replaying memories, remembering the good times, and wishing you could get another chance. If you're asking yourself, can I win them back? Then stay with me. Today, we're diving into 5 real, practical steps you can use to make things right and possibly get back together. These aren't tricks or mind games. They're genuine ways to show both yourself and your ex why a second chance might be worth it. You'll learn how to create a fresh start, and even if things don't work out exactly as you hoped, you'll feel stronger and more confident in yourself by the end. So, let's dive right in and start with step 1. Step 1. Give each other some space. I know this one might sound tough, especially when all you want is to be close to your ex again. But here's the surprising truth. One of the most powerful things you can do is take a step back and give each other some room. Why? Right after a breakup, emotions are high, and it's hard to think clearly. Maybe there was a big argument, or perhaps things just drifted apart. Either way, taking a few weeks apart can make a huge difference. Space lets each person calm down and reflect on what they really want without feeling overwhelmed or pressured. Let's talk about what space means here. Avoid frequent contact. Don't send texts every day or check in on social media. It's tough, but it gives them room to breathe. Resist the urge to apologize constantly, even if you think apologizing will fix things. Too many apologies can actually make things worse. One sincere apology, given at the right time, is far more powerful. Set a time frame. For many people, 2 to 4 weeks is a good amount of time to take space, but it might vary based on how your relationship ended. Giving space is about showing respect. It sends a strong message that you're mature and that you care about their well-being enough to give them time. Plus, it can actually make them miss you and remember the good things about you. Step 2. Work on yourself. Now, this is one of the most important steps. Sometimes, when we're in a relationship, we focus so much on the other person that we lose sight of ourselves. This time apart can be an opportunity for you to work on becoming the best version of yourself. Here are a few areas you can focus on. Reconnect with your hobbies. Did you put any of your own interests aside while you were in the relationship? Whether it's painting, hiking, or learning a new skill, getting back into things that make you feel alive can boost your mood and confidence. Improve your health. Physical activity has huge benefits for both your body and mind. Even if it's just taking a walk every day or doing some yoga at home, these small steps can help you feel physically and mentally stronger. Build your confidence. Think about all the things that make you unique. Write down your strengths, your positive qualities, and the things you bring to a relationship. Remind yourself of the value you bring to others. When you invest in yourself, you're showing that you're worth the effort. Not only will this make you feel better, but it also sends a message to your ex. You're moving forward in a positive way. And if they see you happy and confident, it may spark their interest again. Step 3. Reflect on what went wrong. Breakups happen for a reason, and this step is all about understanding those reasons. Reflection isn't about putting yourself down or blaming the other person. Instead, it's about looking at your relationship honestly. Here's how you can reflect effectively. Think about common arguments or issues. Was there a pattern in the things you disagreed about? For example, maybe you argued about spending time together, money, or lifestyle differences. Ask yourself if you both wanted the same things. Sometimes breakups happen when people realize they're looking for different things in life. Maybe one of you wanted more independence, while the other wanted commitment. Reflecting on this can help you understand if these are things you can work on. Be open to your own mistakes. Self-reflection can be tough, but recognizing areas where you may have fallen short shows growth. Maybe there were times when you didn't communicate your feelings openly, or you took them for granted. This step is about learning from the past. By understanding what went wrong, you're not just helping your chances of getting back together, you're also preparing to be a better partner in the future. And when you eventually talk to your ex again, they'll see that you've taken the time to understand what needs to change. Step 4. Reconnect with a calm, positive mind. When the time feels right, and you've both had some space, it might be time to reach out. But remember, the goal here is to start with a calm, positive mindset. Don't jump in with heavy or emotional conversations right away. Keep things light and friendly. Here's how to reconnect. Send a casual message, something that feels natural and brings up a positive memory. For example, "Hey, I saw this movie and remembered when we watched it together. Hope you're doing well." Ask simple, open-ended questions. "How have you been?" Or "How's work/school going?" are good conversation starters that feel friendly and open. Stay patient. If they don't respond right away or don't seem interested, don't take it personally. They might still need time. This step is all about re-establishing a connection. By keeping things light, you're showing that you're interested in catching up, but not forcing anything too intense. This approach keeps the door open without pushing them away. Step 5. Take things slowly and respect their feelings. If you've reconnected and your ex is open to talking again, remember, take it slow. Rushing can often lead to misunderstandings, and it's important to let the relationship grow naturally. Some things to keep in mind as you go forward. Be honest but not overly intense. Share how you've grown, but avoid putting pressure on them to make a decision right away. Listen to their feelings too. If they have concerns or worries, be open to hearing them out without getting defensive. Enjoy the process of reconnecting. Sometimes, people rush because they want certainty. But taking things one day at a time can help build a stronger foundation. When you show patience and understanding, you're showing that you respect their needs and feelings. This can make them feel safe with you and more open to giving things another chance. And there you have it. 5 real, simple steps to help you get your ex back. Remember, whether or not you end up together, this journey is about personal growth and becoming the best version of yourself. Working on these steps not only improves your chances of winning them back, it also helps you move forward feeling stronger and more confident. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more advice on relationships, self-improvement, and confidence building. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck on your journey to a brighter future.